Hello my fellow sketchers, do you want to learn how to use different backdrop options and how it can easily use to control other sprite in Scratch? If you want to learn ask and wait, drag and non-draggable mode, loudness timer, volume of stage, reset timer and different backdrop options, then this video is for you. So first, let's start with the ask and wait block. In this ask and wait block, it asks a specified text and then wait. The user has given the answer. So drag the when green flag click block here. Now go to the sensing category and drag the ask and wait block here. Now and it will ask what's your name. Now drag the say and wait block here. Now inside the say text, it will join the answer. This answer gives the value that the user has entered when the sprite has asked the user. And we will join hello with answer. Now let's enter the full screen control of the stage and run our program. So it asks me what's your name. So let's say I enter the name Umar. And it says hello Umar. Now let's look at another example. So in this example I will explain about the timer block. In this timer block it displays or it sets a timer. So let's display this timer variable. And one more thing I need to tell you, that even the program is stopped, the timer will still run. So this is the timer. Now you can reset timer by clicking or doing things by this block. So let me show you an example. So we will go to the events category and drag the key pressed block here and select the option space. So when you press the space key, it will reset the timer. Now let's drag this timer. As you can see guys, when I press the space key, it resets the timer. Now let's look at another example. So in this example, I will explain about you this block. So this block tells the x and y position and other information of a specific sprite. So let's duplicate this sprite and we will name this sprite 1 position teller, and the sprite 2 I will name movable cat. Now we want to drag this sprite, so I will also explain you about set drag mode to block. So first, in the movable cat, go to the events category and drag the when green flag click block here. Now go to the loose category and drag the set color effect to block here and set the color effect to 50. I have entered this value so that we can see the difference like this. Now but I cannot drag this sprite. So to fix that, we will go to the sensing category and drag the set drag mode to block here. So this sets the drag mode of the sprite. So for example, I set it to draggable. As you can see guys, now I can drag this sprite. And if you set it to not draggable, then you cannot drag this sprite. For now I will set it to draggable. Now I want this cat to start from here. So we will go to the position teller and write the when green flag click block here. Now go to the motion category and drag the go to XY block beneath the when green flag click. And in the first space I will set the value to -140 and set the y-axis to 0. As you can see guys, now our sprite is here. Now I want this green cat to start from here. So drag a go to xy block here, and the x value I will enter the value 140 and the y value to 0. As you can see guys, now it starts from there. Now just for seeing the difference, we will choose a new backdrop. Now this backdrop is not present here, so we will have to go to the bottom. And I will select this x and y grid and delete this empty backdrop. Now go to the movable cat and go to the position teller. Now drag a forever loop here, so anything inside it will repeat forever. Now drag a save block here and go to the operators category and drag a join block here, and we will join x and drag another join block here. Now this will tell me the current x and y x position of the movable cat. So it is 135. Now drag this here. Now we will drag another join block here, and this time we will set y and duplicate this part, and it will tell me the y position of the movable cat. Now drag this here. As you can see guys, it tells me the x and y position of the sprite, but it's in decimal numbers. So to fix that, we will use the round block. So we use this to avoid decimal numbers. Now same for the y position of the movable cat. Now let's run our program. As you can see guys, it tells me the x and y position of the sprite, but not in decimal numbers. Now let's look at another example. So guys, first we will drag the when green flag click block here, and under it you will drag the forever loop. Now and inside the forever loop, we will go to the looks category and drag the save block here. Now go to the operators category. Now drag this join block here. So let me explain you about this join block. So this join block joins two words. Now go to the sensing category and drag the current block here, and this current block tells me the current year, month or anything. So the current year is 2022. Now drag another join block here, and in the first space I will select the option current hour, and I will join it with a colon. Now drag another join block here, and this time we will join the current minute with another colon. Like this. Now at the end we will join the current second. So this tells me the current second. Now let's run our program. As you can see guys, it tells me the current time. Now I want Sprite to tell me the current year, month and the date. So drag a join block here and another join block here. And in the middle I will just enter some spaces. Now drag another join block here, and this time drag a current block here, and we will select the option current date and drag another join block here and another current block here, and this time it will tell me the current month, and I will type slash here. Now drag another join block and this time we will join the current month with another slash, and at the end it will tell me the current year. Now drag this time here. Now guys, let's run our program. As you can see guys, it tells me the current time and also tells me the dates and day and also the year. Now let me explain you about days since 2000 block. Now guys, I will tell you about the days since 2000 block. So this block tells me the days that are passed since the year 2000. As you can see guys, it tells me the days and the hours and also the seconds. Now this is the username block. So this block only works in online version. This block tells me the username of my account, but since I'm using the offline version, so it doesn't tell me. As you can see guys, as I speak, it tells me the loudness in decibel numbers. As always, thank you so much for watching my video. If you want to learn about events blocks like when green flag clicked, different options when key pressed option, and when you click the sprite, and when the backdrop condition event, then check out my video of Scratch Events Blocks Part 2. If you have any questions, I'll be waiting for you in the comment section below, and don't forget to subscribe to my channel. I'll see you in my next video. Bye guys.